British strawberries. Peak season right now, they taste incredible. Here are 5 easy, clean, healthy ways to make the most of them. Let's do it. Sweet, aromatic and full of flavor, especially when they are in season. And as chefs, we use them a lot in desserts, especially now in the summer. But today, we're not going to make dessert. We're going to make dessert, but without sugar, just to keep it healthy as promised. I'm going to give you a few different recipes for family. I'm going to give you a few different recipes for your date night and a few tweaks at the end, so please stick in. We're going to start first with the strawberry gazpacho, a very different gazpacho from the normal one. Give you a little bit of sweetness, and then these strawberries are going to be more aromatic and elevated a bit. So let's dive in. So gazpacho, a typical Spanish cold soup made from Andalusia, I think, and of course is for the summer, very hot Spanish summers as well, right? Here I'm going to add, as I said, the strawberries. And the traditional way is they marinate it overnight. So they roughly chop it as I do it now. Then they let it marinate overnight for the flavors to develop. And then tomorrow they blend it. The same thing we're going to do today, we're going to blend it tomorrow. If you're in a hurry, then just go ahead, blend everything straight away, no problem. But let's keep it traditional. Also, I think this recipe is a great way to add all the vitamins and antioxidants in one go. Straight in. You blend all your vitamins, all your strawberries, all your tomatoes, drink it, job done, you sorted. Everything in, 250 grams of tomatoes, 100 grams of strawberries, 100 grams of red peppers, about 50 grams of cucumber, a quarter of an onion, a clove of garlic, and then you can add some basil optionally. We're going to do 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, or sherry vinegar if you have. A good pinch of salt. And then slightly squeeze with your hands to release the juices. See, like that. Everything has been covered with the juices, which is great. Everything will be marinated nicely. Clean thing and marinate overnight if you have time. If you don't have time, blend it straight away. Okay, dish number 2, chef's favorite, strawberry sorbet. Originally, my recipe has sugar, 500 grams of strawberry puree to 100 grams of sugar. I'm going to remove the sugar this time because we said we want to keep things healthy and homey. I'm going to add some honey instead, or you can use some sweetener. Stevia is another good option. But I'm going to go for like 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey and a little bit of lemon juice. Very easy. We're going to blend everything together. We're going to put it in the freezer. And then every 30 minutes or 45 minutes, we just quickly churn it if you don't have a machine. If you have a machine, everything is much easier. We're going to do 400 grams of strawberries. And we're going to do the juice of 1 lemon. We're going to do 3 tablespoons of honey. Optionally, I'm going to add some vodka. It helps me with the texture, it makes it a bit smoother. But if you have kids, then I don't know, your choice. Quick blend and then we pass. I'm going to keep this jug, I'm not going to clean it, I'm going to make the strawberry jelly straight away. In it goes in the freezer, every 30 to 45 minutes. Give it a little stir to just make sure there are no crystals building up. Next up, kids' favorite, strawberry jelly. I'm going to use no sugar as well. I'm going to use stevia. You can use honey if you like, but stevia is a very good alternative. It has 0 calories as well. And the kids will never know, It will be sweet without the guilt of the carbohydrates and the sugar. So let's get into it. 300 grams of strawberries, 200 ml of water. And as before, blend and then pass. Okay, I have exactly 500 grams of strawberry stock. For half a liter, which is 500 grams, I'm going to use 3 gelatin leaves. 3 grams each, that's the large ones I'm using. If you don't like gelatin leaves, you can always do vegan gelatin leaves. I found them in store. And also there's an alternative called agar. But I'm going to use the gelatin leaves for now. Boil it, add the gelatin leaves, and then let it set. Okay, stevia, probably the healthiest alternative to sugar. I'm going to add only 25 grams of that. That's going to make it extra sweet and it will be fine. Okay, just to recap, for the strawberry jelly, 500 ml of strawberry puree, 25 grams of stevia, 3 gelatin leaves. Bring this to boil, add the soaked gelatin leaves, let it set. Okay, soaked gelatin leaves in, turn off the heat, ready. I found these little molds on Amazon, like £5, very cheap, but if you don't have it, don't worry. Use this bread tin or any cake tin you have. It's going to be non-stick, is better, because the only thing that we're going to do, let it set in here, turn it and it will come off very easily. Or if you just go in casual, then just give it to the kids straight like that and let them scoop it out. Anyway, let's pour it in now. All nice and done, we're going to let it set an hour and a half to 2 hours. If you go more than 2 hours, that's great because it's going to be proper solid. Next up, the gym bro's favorite, high protein yogurt. We're going to make a beautiful strawberry salsa. We're going to add some mint and some pistachios. You can use some granola if you like as well, but let's dive in. Quick 10 seconds of your time. If you find value in this video, please like it. Also, consider subscribing. I'll keep on making videos. I'll keep on making recipes and giving you all my tips. Thank you very much. It helps me massively. Okay, I'm going to use 250 grams of Greek yogurt. That's fat-free, which will give me exactly 25 grams of protein. I'm going to add a scoop of protein. That's the plant-based one. And this without flavor as well, which I like it. It doesn't have any sweeteners and stuff. And in total, this bowl will give me a bit more than 40 grams of protein, which is amazing, really. Give it a quick mix. Okay, nice and smooth. Let's transfer it to a serving bowl. And here we have it, 40 grams of good quality high protein, low in sweeteners, low in fat as well. The strawberries go very well with the mint, so I'm going to make a nice salsa for that. I have some good quality healthy fats from the pistachios, and of course the homemade granola. I have made a video for that as well. It's with pistachios and coconut. It's very nice. Watch out that short. So I'm going to mix them all together. Let's get into it. Okay, lime zest goes in. If you want, you can also add the juice, but I don't want it too sour, so I'm going to skip the juice for now. Just a touch of honey, about a teaspoon. Remember, our yogurt has no sweetener, so you don't want it too bland anyway. Let's top it off. Strawberries, mint, lime zest, touch of honey, full of antioxidants, full of vitamins, full of protein. Really nice. I have about a handful of pistachios, roasted, slightly roasted. And here you have it, full of protein, antioxidants, vitamins, perfect for the gym bro or for the gym sis. Good for the breakfast, good for nighttime as well. Your muscles will thank you. Let's go now for the next dish, which is the strawberry salad. And here we have it, salad ingredients are here. 5, quick, nice and easy, super simple really. Baby jam, strawberries, cherry tomatoes, goat cheese, you can use feta if you like. I have some red pepper left over from the gazpacho, walnuts, and then a quick, very, very quick dressing, olive oil and a bit of lime. Let's put them together. I'm going to build a few layers like that. I know it looks a bit fancy, but don't worry, it's very, very simple. Let's finish with that goat cheese. Break some walnuts on top for some crunch. A good amount of olive oil. And there you have it, your healthy, fancy a little bit, but very simple salad for your date night. Time to blend that gazpacho. And of course, blend till smooth. Let's taste. Just a touch of salt. If you had gazpachos before, probably you will be wondering why I haven't used any bread. Usually they add it to add some body, but obviously we're trying to reduce our carbs here and then to make it a bit healthier, so I removed it, and then I'll pass it as well to make it a bit smooth. Just a touch of olive oil to finish it off. I will keep things simple. There you go. Just to cut the jellies out of the mold. Look at them, nice and squishy. I'm sure kids will love it. There you go. Okay, strawberry gazpacho, strawberry jelly, strawberry salad, strawberry salsa. Let's bring out the strawberry sorbet. Let's finish it. The texture, because obviously we didn't chain it, we didn't use the machine, is a bit hard, but not too hard so you cannot scoop it out. Let's see. There you go, you see, nice and smooth. Nice and easy. There you go. And there you have it, 5 strawberry summery recipes for families, for date nights, for kids. Everyone should be happy now. Make the most of it. Enjoy the strawberries, they are delicious. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.